Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in the Nifty, from last 3 days, we can see one uptrend movement. So, this is why, because all-time high, which was at 18,887. So, this high level got broken, and after that, complete breakout, bullish rally is continuing. So, if we come to tomorrow, if it breaks tomorrow at 19,200, we can see one fresh high level at Nifty, or else if it opens flat and if it continues to come down, we can take the resistance of this swing support, and this one will become another support level. So if it opens flat or gap down happens tomorrow, we can expect the market to cover this gap. So these are levels for Nifty. And if we check with the Banknifty, made a gap up. So after that, we can see one complete sideways range. After the breakout of this complete sideways or the range bound, after that again it went to one complete other sideways. So this one we can call it as bullish to sideways market. So if tomorrow, if the market opens flat and if it breaks this complete one range bound, then we can expect further up move. Or else if it opens flat or any gap down happens, we can take this level, which is 44,500 around level as one support. If it breaks this level also, we can expect the market to cover this complete gap which was pending as of today. Now we will go for Finnifty. So in Finnifty also, we can see one gap which was pending. So like the same way as we have seen in Banknifty, Finnifty also made one complete sideways market in the morning. After the breakout of this sideways, again it made a range bound, or we can say one sideways. So overall this what we can consider it as like sideways to bullish market, we can say. So if tomorrow, if this sideways range is breakout happens, means we can expect further up move, or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this sideways which was low, we can expect further downside. Or if it opens negative or gap down happens, means, and again this low, this swing low, if it breaks, we can expect the market to cover this gap. Now we will see which are the stocks which gave bullish market today. So as we can see in this NSE website, M&M, Infosys, these are all stocks which gave very good moment today. So with M&M as well as 4.37% of movement, and Infosys we can see 3.44% of movement. So after that, let's go further, and we can see in TCS around 2.58%. Then the heavy weighted stocks, if we come to like in the banking sector, we can see in HDFC Bank around 1.47%. Then again Alliance, which is around near to 1%. So if these kind of weighted stocks, if it moves or if it moves like a bullish, if it made any bullish rally, we can expect in particular respective indexes with a bullish rally. So on Monday, if the market continues like this, it can move further higher also. So after that, it should take one correction, because in any index or the stock, it should not go like bullish rally continues. So it takes some correction, or else it will give one retest. After that, it will go. So we can see in Nifty chart, as we can see here, we had a strong selling zone at this level. So where it fall, exactly at the same nearest level, we can see one correction, or which is like a small fall. So after that, it made a breakout, and after that it's continuing. We can see like a 3 bullish candle continuously. So for the further coming days, either it should take one support or the retest, or else it should take some correction, then after that it should move. So if it makes like this, we can expect the market to move further higher. Now we come to Infosys. I am taking at daily time frame. we can see one W pattern at here. So complete one W pattern breakout we can see as today candle. So one more the information is like we can see one gap which was pending in Infosys chart. So if tomorrow this today's high which is around at 1340, if it breaks we can expect the market to go till here, so which is at 1380. For the short term target we can take it as 1380, or else it can come further down also. So for that this level which is at 1305 around, we can take it can take support. After that it can move further higher also. So as of now we can see one bullish movement which is happening, which can go further higher. So now we will see in TCS chart. As we can see, which was see here, this the minor resistances was there. So it made a support, or it took the support at this levels. So which is at around 3180. So after taking the support at these levels, one bullish movement is happening, and after that it broke, or we can see one complete breakout at this 3270 level with very big bullish candle. So further if it moves higher, this will we can consider it as another resistance which is at 3310 level, around 3310 level. After breaking this we can expect this level which is at 33665 or 70, around like that, for the bullish trend if it continues further. See you in next post market analysis. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.